Today we're gonna learn how to make samosa. First, take some boiled potatoes. Then separate the skins. After separating the skins, cut the potatoes into small pieces. Now we're gonna make stuffings for samosa. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, add minced garlic and chili. Saute this for 1 minute. Now add the potatoes. Stir this and let the potatoes to soak the oil. Then add salt as per need. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, jeera powder, and mix it. When you are mixing, just smash the potatoes. Now add some raisins, add peanuts, and mix it. Smash the potatoes evenly. Now add garam masala powder. Mix it properly. Now check the salt. It's perfect. Now just turn off the flame. Now we're gonna make dough for samosa. Take the all-purpose flour. I'm using 2 cups here. Add ajwain. It helps to digest. Add little bit of salt. Add ghee or oil. I'm using ghee here. Now incorporate all this together. Rub the flour in between your palms to incorporate the oil or ghee. Now slowly add the water. And begin to make a dough ball. Knead this until it becomes little firm. Keep remember the dough has to be firm, stiff and not sticky. When it's ready, Just cover it and keep it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just uncover it and knead this again for 1 minute. Now make a small balls out of the dough and with the help of your palm make a ball shape. Now we will roll out the balls. Apply some oil on the rolling board. Grease the board. Now roll this out with the rolling pin. Try to make round shape. It is okay if it's not become circular or round shape. Now divide into two parts. Take half of the sheet and make a cone shape. Now fill the stuffings into this cone. Apply some water on the edges and seal it. Do the same process for the rest of the balls. Now it's time to fry the samosa. Add little more oil to deep fry the samosa. Remember the flame should be low medium. Add samosa when the oil is little hot. Please mind it, don't make the oil completely heat. The oil should be medium heat. We will fry this until it becomes little reddish. Turn the opposite side after an interval. Sink it completely when one side is looking little raw. Flame should be low medium. To know the oil temperature is perfect or not, you can see bubbles are little big than the regular size of frying. Color is coming. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to fry completely in low flame. Our samosa is done. We will remove this from the oil now. Strain all the oils. After 10 to 15 minutes, serve it and have a great snack. Thank you for watching.
Okay, so how is my today's recipe? Just let me know in the comment section below. And if you really like this recipe, then please hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button. You will get notification. And that's all for today. I'm signing off now. I will come in the next episode with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye, take care. That's all.